You're either 15 minutes early or 20 minutes late. Your desk is either incredibly organized or you have no idea where your pencil is. You often over-prepare and over-deliver for work, and you are constantly trying to find ways to bring in more time into your day. If this sounds like you and you have ADHD, you are not alone. Hi, I'm Kristina. I'm an executive and ADHD coach. I also have ADHD, and I understand these struggles. Join me in my upcoming workshop, ADHD at Work, Productivity and Organization. We're going to be talking about why it's so challenging for us, but also how to support yourself to be more productive, some tips and tricks along the way, as well as how to figure out an organizational system that works for you, either at home and work or both. So I encourage you to fill out the form when you register so I can know how to best support you in this workshop. We'll have time to go over your own personal challenges as well as hear from others in the room. So bring your questions, bring your insights, and I'm excited to see you very soon.